Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Saral Japani. Today I am going to tell you why is bullet train in Japan called Shinkansen. Friends, you might be already knowing this that Japan was the first country to have introduced high-speed trains. But did you know that the term bullet train was coined in 1939 after Japan named its proposed high-speed train project as Dangan Resha? Dangan means bullet and Resha means train. Yes, Dangan Resha means bullet train. Although Dangan Resha or bullet train was the proposed name, it was not based solely on the analogy of a bullet speed. That is, that means bullet did not represent speed solely. In fact, it was the shape of the first series of high-speed trains whose front face resembled the shape of a bullet, which wasn't true for the next ones in pipeline. Thus, a more generic name for such high-speed trains was the need of the hour. Thus came the new name for Japan's high-speed rail network, Shinkansen. So let's see what this Shinkansen means and from where did it originate. Shinkansen is basically the combination of three characters, Shin, Kan, and Sen. Now, this may be written in Kanji, which is nothing but characters imported from Chinese ideograms or pictograms, and in hiragana, which is the primary Japanese phonetic script. This is Shinkansen in kanji, and this is Shinkansen in hiragana. So the hiragana undoubtedly looks simpler, isn't it? Yes, but you would be surprised that the hiragana version of this word is rarely used. And what is used is the complex kanji. The simple reason being kanjis are used wherever they can be used, as it is more richer and more meaningful. So now let's look at the meanings of these three parts, Shin, Kan, and Sen. The first part is Shin. Looking at this black ancient symbol, what do you think it represents? Any guess? It looks like a plant, isn't it? And what about this? There is no doubt there is a plant on the left side, but on the right side there is something else. So if we look at the modern style of writing kanji, we have a symbol for rise up, that is stand up or erect. We have a tree. We have an X to cut this tree. All of these together gives us the composite character called Shin, which means new. And it represents the meaning cutting down a tree with an X, thus starting something new or afresh. Next, the second part, Kan. Again, we have an ancient symbol that represents a rising sun, that is dawn. When combined with the phonetic gan, it becomes this kanji character. It then adds up with kanji of counter for articles and to dry up to finally give the composite character kan, meaning tree trunk. In fact, it may mean any of these. That is tree trunk, arrow shaft, a tool handle, a backbone, or a base. The third part is sen. Let's look at the constituent kanji radicals and characters for this. First, the radicals for small and short thread add up to give the character for thread or string. It then combines with water and white color radicals to give the kanji called sen. That means a line. The line could be a telephone line, a railroad, a wire or a string, or even light rays, for example, X-rays. Friends, pardon me that I have absolutely no idea as to what water and white color doing in this kanji. Thus, Shinkansen means new trunk line, which is nothing but our bullet train. So have you seen, friends, how natural objects and activities have been used to derive the composite kanji Shinkansen, that is the bullet train? Isn't this simply amazing? That's all, friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't done it so far, and see you again in my next video. Till then, do take good care of yourself. Mata imasho.